Hi hustlers, welcome back to JKM Tech and Hustle, the channel where we explore the coolest side hustles and bring innovation and creativity to the forefront. I'm your host Vanessa, and today we've got something extra special for you. But before we dive in, let's take a look at the master plan. Here's the sneak peek at the reference we used to create this custom-made mini ramp. So you go to Extreme Skater and click on the ramp calculator. So it's perfectly tailored to fit our exact dimensions. After after some research and proper planning, this is what we have requested to Baker to execute or to make. Now, introducing our friend Baker. He's a surfer, a skater who takes his passion to the whole new level when the waves aren't calling. He's not just a side hustler, but a true craftsman, and that makes all the difference. He's the Philippines skate ramp and brick oven builder. His skills go beyond the ordinary, and today we're about to unveil his latest projects. Okay, so let me show you Baker's previous projects. This one on the video is the Forest Camp Valencia skate ramp. The first video was taken way back 2014 when it was still newly built, but this one currently shown is this is how basically it looks like right now, the Valencia Forest Camp. Baker's portfolio is nothing short of amazing, from epic skate ramps to functional brick ovens. He's the go-to guy for turning plans or dreams into reality. Building a skate ramp is an art. Every detail matters. The thickness, the curves. It's not just construction. It's about creating an experience. If it's not skatable, then it's not fun. That's where Baker's unique skill sets comes in. So why did we enlist Baker's expertise? Picture this, a brilliant idea from my partner, a mini ramp in the front yard combined with a parking space. Who better to bring this vision to life than our skate-savvy friend Baker? It's an ingenious home solution to keep your child engaged, channeling their boundless energy right in your front yard. It's like an instant playground just steps away. Fast forward, our front yard has been transformed. And the kids are happy. Then our front yard has been transformed into a mini skate ramp. Seamlessly combined with a parking space, it's not just innovative, it's functional. Thanks, Baker. You truly outdone yourself. This is a unique skill turned into a side hustle that stands out. And hey, speaking of unique side hustles, if you're doing something cool and you want to be featured in this channel, drop a comment below. We're itching to showcase your side hustle to this channel. That's a wrap up for today's episode, folks. If you enjoy watching Baker turn our front yard into a mini skate ramp, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and don't forget to ring the bell for notifications. Until next time, keep hustling and stay tech savvy. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.